Carbon fiber composite can be a fantastic structural material. It has a high specific strength which allows light structures to be built. It also allows stiffness to be engineered in where it's needed and compliance where it's not. However, it does have some downsides. One of these is that it's susceptible to contact damage. Contact can produce localized high stresses which may cause the fibers to break or the matrix to degrade so that delamination occurs. If this damage is not immediately evident, with use it can accumulate over time, which could then lead to failure. Here's an example of my brother's Ridley frame set that received some contact damage to the top tube. This was caused when his dog knocked over his bike and it fell over and hit a door. The repair cost hundreds and hundreds of pounds. You may have seen in the news recently that Hugo Hofstadter suffered some handlebar failures in one of his races. In this video I'll show you what I do in order to help protect my carbon fiber handlebars from one particular type of contact damage, where the handlebar levers are connected to the handlebars via a metal strap. This is a typical metal strap, and as you can see the edges are relatively sharp. Because the strap goes around the curved part of the bars, the edges of that strap can dig into the carbon fiber material and therefore cause damage. The mitigation I use is to put a compliant interlayer between the strap and the handlebar, like this. The interlayer is a simple piece of tape. I'm using Gorilla Tape because it's quite thick and fairly sticky. First of all, mark the place where you want to put the tape. I've used a felt tip pen here to mark where I want to put mine. Take the tape and stick it in the appropriate place. I usually only cover about half the circumference. And then put the band over and tighten it up to the appropriate torque setting, if you have one. Now when I do this clamp up, the carbon fiber of the handlebars is protected from the high contact stresses. And that's it, a simple solution to a complex engineering problem. Now I have to do the difficult part, put the handlebar tape back on. Okay, this is just one example of how contact stresses could contribute to the failure of bicycle parts, particularly carbon fiber parts. I have produced some other videos relating to contact stresses, and these should pop up just now. Also, if you're interested in the engineering aspects of the design and maintenance of bicycles, consider subscribing to my channel, and you can do that by clicking on the 5-minute velo roundel just now. From me, for now, it's goodbye.